Hi guys, I'm trying to make another video again in my YouTube channel, and if you have ambition and goals, I think this video is for you, so just keep watching on me. My topic is about ambitions and goal. How would we get those things? So, first muna kailangan maghanda sa sarili mo. Yung gaano man kahirap mangyayari sa buhay mo while those things. So, kailangan mo paghanda yun and maging patience ka sa sarili mo and do consistency. So, walang cheat talaga sa goal. So, talaga, tiyaga talaga. Yung determination mo para maabot yung pangarap na yun. So, kailangan may ganun ka. Try to think deep yung why mo, bakit mo siya ginagawa. And para magkaroon ka ng motivation pagdating sa time na drain ka na or feeling mo failure ka na, ganun. So, failure naman doesn't mean na failure ka na, dyan ka na lang. So, failure naman is proven na tinatry mo yung goal or ambition na gusto mo sa buhay mo. And yep, be positive guys. Goodbye.